Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make menemen. This is a Turkish breakfast item, which I recently had on my trip to Istanbul, and I was completely blown away by it. We went to a very famous restaurant in Istanbul, which is located in Taksim Square, by the name of Lades. I went there and I had menemen properly for the first time, and it was absolutely scintillating. I was like, why haven't I ever tried it before? And it was so delicious that I decided to show this to you in this very video. Menemen is a Turkish-style scrambled egg recipe, which is infused in a rich tomato and pepper base, and it's got melted cheese within it. And what you do is you get some crusty bread and you scoop the menemen. Let's move on to the recipe now. Okay, you saw how to make this wonderful Menemen. And I have a question for you guys over here today. Menemen for me is right now one of my top 3 favorite breakfast items. My question to you guys is, what is your favorite breakfast item? I'm very interested to know, and you can let me know in the comment section below. You can view my video where I went to a breakfast place within Istanbul, and there's many different items like olives, bread, there's cheeses, there's honey, there's various different items you'll see. And you can check that video out by clicking on the link over here. You can also view our Turkish foods playlist over here. Don't forget to like this video, do subscribe to my channel, Imran.Family Kitchen. And with that said, catch you in the next one.